That strange rumbling sound when you press your brakes isn't just annoying, it's your vehicle's way of warning you about a serious safety issue. When you hear these unsettling noises, your brake system is telling you something critical needs attention. Rumbling brake noises typically stem from worn brake pads creating uneven contact, warped rotors causing vibration, or loose components within the braking system. You might also notice your steering wheel vibrating, extended stopping distances, or inconsistent braking response, all clear indicators that immediate professional attention is required. Ignoring these warning signs transforms a simple brake pad replacement into a dangerous and costly repair. Delayed maintenance can lead to complete brake failure, damage to other vehicle components, and significantly compromise your safety on the road. The solution is straightforward. Schedule a professional brake inspection immediately. Expert technicians can accurately diagnose whether the issue involves brake pads, rotors, or other components, ensuring your vehicle's braking system operates safely and efficiently. Remember, when your brakes are speaking to you through rumbling noises, it's time to listen and act promptly.